Good morning, party people. It's Derek Burnett from the Adaptive PE channel. We got some air hockey bowling today going on. We have got some frisbees for our paddles. We have got some pins for our targets. And we've got some little round circles that I stole from our Connect 4 game in the office to use as pucks. I don't work for Connect 4, but I'm telling you right now, these little Connect 4 circles work great for pucks. They slide, they glide, they're lightweight, they are awesome. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Having a little bit of fun, working on some target practice. No defense in this game, just a bunch of offense. Anyway, Adaptive PE channel, having a good day. This is air hockey bowling. Are we ready?
Yes!
Let's go, hit it!